Okay, Stephen, for that person trying to get something done, whether it's fun, whether it's exercise outside tonight, maybe this weekend, what can they expect?
Well, you can expect off and on, but when it's on, it's really on.
It's really on.
Yeah, and when it's off, you're just going to be, yay, off for a little bit, but it's certainly going to be a mess. There's lots of systems coming in. I'm going to show you those right now. As we take a look right now outside at Seattle, you can see the Alaskan Way Viaduct there, CenturyLink Field, and of course the Great Wheel all lit up, looking pretty tonight as people make their ways around on this Friday evening. Show you the conditions, 42 degrees right now, just cloudy in Seattle, so not too bad right now. But of course that is going to change, as we've been mentioning, as we have a couple of systems that are coming in. This is what I wanted to show you, though. If you don't like all these systems coming in and out, how about spring? We're there. March 20th, 53 days away right now. March 20th is when spring will be here with us. So this system right here, this is what's moving in tonight. We have a brief respite. Some of you getting rain right now, but of course some of you have a brief respite of the rain, but it is moving in and it's going to drench the whole coast and everything inland, and of course more snow in the mountains too. And then there's another system that's coming in later on in the weekend. I'll show you that in just a second here. But winter weather advisory until 6 p.m. Saturday night, 8 to 11 inches on average in the area that's purple. Of course, up to 18 inches is possible in some spots as well. It's going to make driving across the passes pretty treacherous. Winter storm warning until 6 p.m. Saturday in this area right here, Mount Rainier and places further south. And you can see 4 to 9 inches received today, and additional 10 to 20 inches tomorrow. So lots of snow coming. Here's our radar picture right now, and you can see we do have that brief break in Seattle. Of course, Tacoma and Everett, you're getting your rain, and we're kind of in a rain shadow there in the Seattle area. But it doesn't give up in the mountains. It's just constant right there with that snow falling in the mountains, making that driving very treacherous. As I showed you, this is the system moving in tonight, and then Saturday night, this is what we're going to see here as it makes its way in. It's going to bring in some warmer temperatures as well. It's going to raise the snow level, and it's going to bring a lot of rain too. We take a look at our futurecast. This is a look at 6:30 on Saturday night. As we take a look at the futurecast as it advances through tonight into tomorrow morning, and you can see those brief breaks here and there, like Saturday morning at 9 a.m. And Saturday at 1:30 in the afternoon, this is when David's going to be out jogging because it's going to be dry, and that's what he likes right there. So we're going to see that dry spot about Saturday afternoon. But then again, Saturday night, as you know, that other system is going to be moving back in and bring lots of rain for the rest of the weekend. So it's going to be a pretty wet weekend, off and on, mostly on. Here's the 7-day snow level. I wanted to show you this. It's pretty low Friday and Saturday, but take a look Sunday and Monday. It goes back up to 6,000 feet. That's what could create some flooding conditions as the snow on the passes starts to melt a little bit, and then it gets into our rivers and clogs up the rivers with all that water. Eastbound, traction tires required on Stevens Pass, chains required westbound over Snoqualmie Pass right now. We take a look at the temperatures for tomorrow. The forecast highs, you can see lower to mid 40s in the northwest interior. The central sound is looking like this. Actually, it's looking pretty blank right now, but I can tell you that it is in the mid-40s. There it is, 45, 46 for Bellevue. These are the temperatures for your Saturday. As we take a look at the South Puget Sound, we have temperatures that are going to be in the mid to upper 40s in that region. And over on the coast, your temperatures are going to be pretty much in the lower to mid-40s here as well. We see 46 at Long Beach, 45 in Chehalis. And we take a look at eastern Washington right now, and those temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer in some spots, like 45 in Moses Lake, only 39 though in Ellensburg, with a chance of snow and rain mix. Take a look at our 7-day forecast for you. Light rain and rainy and breezy for Saturday, light rain on Sunday, and you can see that temperatures do warm up a bit on Sunday and Monday, with temperatures back up into the 50s, and it cools back into the mid 40s as we head for the rest of the week. David and Amanda, back over to you guys.